N. This is the letter N. N for notebook. N for newspaper. N for net. N for nest. N for nurse. N for necklace. N for nail clipper. N for napkin. N for needle. N for 9. N for noodles. N for night. Notebook, newspaper, net, nest, necklace, nurse, nail clipper, napkin, needle. 9, night, noodles. This is the family of letter N.